Okay, today I'll show you my homework chapter 5.1 to you. It's about Bake Off PLC. The topic of this research is Bake Off PLC. Programming with fully the same integration. Okay, so firstly you can see the experiment objectives. Building industrial automation competence. The language mystery is proficient in LD, FBD, and ST programming language. Understand semantic rules and application scenarios, and compare advantages and disadvantages of each language. And the functional application, master timer, and counter principles, implement timing logic for pneumatic cylinder control, and develop synchronous control algorithm, and the polluter integration, the master timer and the counter, and the cross-platform integration. Integrate bake-off PLC with fully the same simulation software, and validate control logic in virtual environment, reduce hardware dependency, and technological significance, multi-language programming flexibility. The LED later diagram, electronic and rigid physical programming, intuitive control coil representation, and ideal for simple logic and relay replacement, and the FBD language function block diagram, the module programming approach, and the resolvable function block, and suitable for complex control system. The last one is ST language, structured text. Um, the high-level language similar to C language, and excellent for complete algorithm, and perfect by professional programmers. You can see the timer application, the on delay, the delay output active, and the TOF off delay output detective vision, and the plus generate fixed direction plus common use, cylinder extension delay, and sequential action, and the counter application, the CTU up counter, counter receive edges, and the down counter falling edges, and the up and down, bidirectional counting common use, and the common use circle count, batch precision limit detection. So you can see the fully the same integration, virtual validation without hardware. Step 1, virtual connection setup. Map PLC variables to fully the same components, and the digital output control solenoid values. Digital input receive sensor signals, and step 2 is logic validation. Simulate dynamic circuit behavior, test timing and counting logic, identify logic errors before hardware implementation, and step 3 is optimization. Adjust parameters in simulation environment, and optimize cycle time and sequence logic, reduce debugging time on physical hardware. So then you can see the engineering significance, uh, building theory and practice, industrial simulation, replicate factor flow automation scenarios, simulate sorting machine and observable lives, understanding PUC-driven Fermic system and standardize the workflow, logic design to the similar validation to the code implementation, establish engineering best practice, and reduce project risks and development time. Okay, so you can see the hardware connect. It's very easy use. We know physical hardware requests just need a line. So you can see the variable mapping tape, bake-off PUC, and the fully the same. So the PUC output high to the value integrates to the cylinder actuation, and so on. So the core control logic, the first one is start trigger, press stand button, and to the cylinder extent. Delay control, second delay to the cylinder retracts, and counting cylinder retraction trigger, proximity switch, and the stop function, and then the 5 is emergency stop. Okay, so you can see the LD programming easily. The step 1 is start logic, and then with the cylinder extension, then the retraction and counting. The last one stop and alarm. And the second language, you can see FBD programming, start, output, cylinder, and the stop system. It's very easy. And the ST programming is similar to C language. Variable declaration, start logic, timer control, cylinder logic, counter control, and the stop logic. The fully same. You can see the step-by-step guide. Phenometric circuit design, communication state up, and run and verify. So the overall workflow, you can see. Okay, so let's see the simulation.
哎呀，这动哪里？开着的，就一个启动的那个就得了。
你看，就有一个。那我看看作业怎么写。
Okay. Then let's see the 3 languages and the bake-off.
哦，你有我发那个程序给你，欧盟的。哦，我发那个，你有欧盟吗？
有，但是还没开过，管它，没事。没有的话，我就用那个视频就够了。我在视频里面接。
就这样。
Okay, that's all. Thank you.